He'd only taken 12 free kicks across his entire career before Tuesday's sensational 3-0 win for Arsenal over Real Madrid in the Champions League quarter-final first leg at Emirates Stadium. With the Gunners on top but the game level at 0-0, England midfielder Rice curled the ball around the Madrid wall and passed Thibaut Courtois to put Arsenal ahead after 58 minutes. Then 12 minutes later the 26-year-old stepped up and did it again, making him the first player to score 2 free kicks in a Champions League knockout match. The sensational curling strike into the top corner was that good it left Arsenal captain Martin Odegaard and manager Mikel Arteta with their hands on their heads in disbelief. Former Real Madrid and Brazil defender Roberto Carlos, himself a master from a set piece during his career, was seen looking glum-faced in the stands. "I don't know whether it will ever sink in," Rice told Amazon Prime after the game. "I've gone back to my phone then and it's gone crazy. To score my first free kick in a game is a special one. And then when I got the second one, I just had the confidence.